Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 25th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from GCT Semiconductor, a leader in 5G and 4G semiconductor solutions. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. GCT Semiconductor has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their new 2025 GCT program aimed at capitalizing on the 5G market.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. GCT reported a net revenue of $1.8 million for Q4, a significant drop from the previous year. John, what are your thoughts on this decline?
Indeed, the 57.4% decrease in Q4 revenue is substantial. This decline is primarily due to the transitional phase from 4G to 5G, which has impacted their sales. However, it's important to note that their net loss has decreased by 51.1% to $5 million, indicating some improvement in managing expenses.
And for the full year 2024, they reported a net revenue of $9.1 million, down 43%. How does this align with their strategic goals?
The full-year figures reflect the same transitional challenges. However, the company is strategically positioning itself for a strong 5G rollout, which they expect to drive future revenue growth. The reduction in net loss by 44.9% to $12.4 million is a positive sign of their efforts to streamline operations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. GCT's gross margin for Q4 decreased to 32.3%, but for the full year it increased to 55.6%. What does this tell us?
The quarterly drop in gross margin is concerning, but the full-year increase to 55.6% is encouraging. It suggests that GCT is improving its cost structure and operational efficiencies, likely in preparation for the 5G launch. Additionally, they've reduced their debt by nearly 50% in 2024, which strengthens their financial position.
And looking ahead, what can we expect from GCT with their 5G initiatives?
GCT is poised for a transformative year, with their 5G chipset shipments expected in the first half of 2025. This aligns with their strategic partnerships and collaborations, which should drive significant growth and market presence in the 5G space.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of -15, but GCT reported an actual EPS of 30 cents. What does this discrepancy indicate?
This is a significant miss, with the actual EPS being 15 cents below the forecast. It highlights the challenges GCT faced in the transitional period and the impact of increased operating expenses. However, with the upcoming 5G initiatives, there's potential for improvement in future earnings.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. GCT has launched the 2025 GCT program and announced several strategic partnerships. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Absolutely. The 2025 GCT program is a major step towards capitalizing on the 5G market. GCT has partnered with industry leaders like Globalstar, Samsung, and Kyocera to enhance their 5G offerings. These collaborations are crucial for seamless connectivity and expanding their market reach. Additionally, aligning their balance sheet for the expected sales ramp-up is a strategic move to support these initiatives.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, John, can you summarize GCT's performance and their investment prospects?
GCT faced a challenging year with a 43% decline in revenue, but they managed to reduce their net loss by 44.9%. The upcoming 5G chipset launch in the first half of 2025 is a pivotal moment for the company. With nearly 50% debt reduction, they are well positioned for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their 5G developments and strategic partnerships.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on GCT's performance in the comments below.